I'm afraid I'm opening it. There's really no reason. You know, I'm just gonna open up anyways. I want to see what type of gears are in here, if they're metal or plastic, because in the Hummer they're all plastic, but they have metal bodies. My hands are all greasy. That doesn't help. Damn. Damn. There we go. There's one. Add up 2, 4, 5. Tell you what. Kids, don't do this at home. You know, that might work. Oh my goodness. Shush you. Oh my goodness. Guys, look. This is a 10. Oh my goodness, that is such a genius move right there. That's gonna help out a lot. Definitely gonna save me some time. Oh wow, that was a waste of time right there. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you can. Yeah, you can hear that clicking noise. That definitely means it's never been opened. Besides when it was getting put together. Kind of a little afraid I'm doing this and it's never been opened, like I said. I don't even know. Hopefully, I'm going to try and keep it together. Because, see, I'm good at taking things apart, but I'm horrible at putting things back together. And that is why I'm going to auto mechanic school for the last 2 years of my high school, which is this following year. And then, oh, there was that other one. And then I'll be going to diesel mechanics if I want to finish that. I'll be going to college. They're both college courses, but see, I like doing this. It's just I have a bad record on not putting things back together. But there's some things, a lot of things I have put back together properly. But there's more on where I haven't. So yeah. So once I got all these screws out, I'll get the camera and hopefully I'll see all the gears and stuff. Therefore, if I have to rewatch this video, you know, I'd be able to see where they all go and stuff like that. You and I are both gonna be able to see what this looks like. For you, those of you who don't have one, 2006 Dodge Rcdodgemagnum from Jada Toys, 1.6 scale. You'd be able to see what this entire gearbox looks like. Oopsie. Already got screws coming out. Oh. That went right there. Alright. Grandma will probably kill me getting all my greasy fingers over this. You know, I might just end this. This is going to be part 1. I'm going to end it, therefore I can have the facing camera on. It'll be a lot easier. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.